We're here with our really fun, awesome client. She's allowing us today to do Marula oil treatment right here. So this treatment is fantastic. We're gonna put this in her hair, put her under the dryer. A treatment we are now offering at Jason J. Daniel Salon Midtown. It values at $55, $60. Like this video on Facebook, we'll give you a great deal when you come in. We're gonna do a haircut, so we're gonna do a, she likes that. Our client's getting this for free because we like her and we're taking care of her. So we're gonna start by doing the shampoo and the treatment. Watch this video, we're gonna do a haircut, then you'll see the results. Okay guys, so the next step, we've already shampooed her with the Marula oil shampoo. Our next step is we're gonna actually put the rare Marula oil treatment in her hair. Now watch this. Does this smell amazing? It smells so good. Let me see. I gotta smell it myself. Zoom in on this right here. See this? Look at that. It's in this little vial right here. I'm gonna put a little bit, goes a long way. Put that in my hands right here. I'm gonna rub it in my hands, and I'm gonna go right in on the hair. I think we're gonna need another dose of it for her. While I do that, I'm taking my Paul Mitchell 413. Okay, so we're here now. We have to put her under the dryer. It's so hot in here, and it's so, no it's not. And so the next step is to put her under the dryer and to give her about 12 minutes of heat. Oh, whew, it's hot. So hot we gotta wear glasses. So when she's done, her hair is gonna feel luxurious and amazing. Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we're blow drying our client. After she did the Marula oil treatment, Vicky here is doing a fast blow dry, and then we're gonna style her. Look at that. Look at that technique. Then we're gonna style her, and then you'll be able to see how amazing and soft her hair feels. Guys, we're done. Look at this. I'm gonna come around here. Let's take a look at the curls and the hair. Look at that. We did the Marula oil treatment. How do you feel?
I love it. It's really bouncy, smooth, hydrated. It feels amazing.
Soft, right?
Yeah.
Amazing, right? Vicky did the amazing curls. I helped finish the style. Now she's gonna go out on the town, right? Yeah, she's gonna have fun. So you saw this video, you saw how it worked on her hair. Come into Jason J. Daniel Salon Midtown, and if you like this video, we'll give you 25% off on this amazing treatment.
Awesome.
Bye. I'm very serious about that.
It's the best.
And yeah, it's so bright in here. We have to wear shades.